used in industry or the software like the DBMS system or application. Okay, but meaning is the same. For example, relation, when I'm saying the relation, that's actually the same as the table. And when I'm saying the attribute, that is the same as column. And domain, there's no exactly matched one in the informal definition because we don't use the domain. But if we need to define in the informal term, it's kind of a possible value. It's a possible value. And tuple is the law I already explained. Schema of a relation is a table definition, and state of the relation popularity table. So you don't have to memorize, but as long as you understand which one is which and the meaning of that, that's totally fine. So this is the example of the relation that we are going to create. Eventually, from the design for the UV event, you are doing this part during the phase 2. Then the final goal to create is like we define the event relation, and their attribute is like that, and create the sample data. Okay. So we how many minutes? 5 minutes. Okay. Let me a little bit speed up because next time we need more time to discuss about to do the exercise. Okay. So what is ordered set and non-ordered set? Ordered set means like the number, natural number. 1 followed by 2 followed by 3. It has the order. So most of the such a set, okay, has the order. Our relation is actually ordered set, but we don't care. Which means Lee is inserted first, then James and the Patel. It's ordered, but practically we don't care such an order. But sometimes the DBMS, when they return the data in this order, it will be returned by order of inserting. Okay? That is ordering. So, but do not believe I try to sort the data, but I already inserted this way, so I expect this order, but do not believe it. Instead, falsely, you need to sort the data. Later, when we talk about sorting the data using SQL, we need to use the option to sort the data. Okay, do not believe ordered data too much. Just it is an ordered data set, but we don't care such an order. Okay, then value. So in case there is any missing value, we need to use the null. We must, okay? We must use the null. By the way, this is a simple question to understand the characteristic of the null. What is the average of 1 to 3? 3? 2. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3 is 2. What is the average of this one? 1 plus 2 plus 3. So divided by 3 or 4. 4. So it will be 0.5. No. Null is kind of ghost. How many ghosts in this room? We don't know. We cannot count. Ghost doesn't exist. Null is can you count how many null here? Data? We cannot count the null. Because null means not 0. If this one is 0, we can divide by 4. But null does not mean 0. Null means non-existing. Can you count non-existing things? No. So when we sum or the count, it cannot be counted. That's a common mistake. It happened a lot 20 years ago when the relational database first time. So the average is different and the salaries will be really. Nowadays it's much more take care, but null cannot be counted. Null means it's a not existing thing. Okay? So we can use such a notation. So next class we are going to talk about the details, the constraint. So this is the overall concept of the relational model. Then we will learn the details, the constraint, the rule that makes the relational model. So basically, it has three main constraints: the key, entity integrity, and differential integrity. The constraint plus the several more. Okay. Any question? Yes.
What about the data dictionary, where we can define the data dictionary?
What is a data dictionary?
Data catalog.
It's a catalog, metadata. Okay, so that is one of the characteristics of the using database. Then who is in charge of such a data dictionary or catalog data? Relational database model? No, it's not the part of the relational model. Instead, administrator need to use software, DBMS, in charge of to create such a catalog database. Problem is how to form, what kind of data structure you use to manage such a metadata catalog. Most of DBMS use relational model also as a table format. So most of the case, like the MySQL, you can select such a metadata using SQL. Oracle database, you can use the SQL to access catalog database. But not all DBMS use the same the format. But most of them, relational database, use the relational model to manage the catalog database. Which means if you are interested in the database administrator, DBA, you need to know what kind of a table has what kind of information about your database. The more the catalog database information you know, the higher experience, more experience you have. Okay, especially Oracle database is critical. Okay, good question. And any others? Okay, so if you missed to submit the homework last time, by adding ER concept, you can submit that right now. Please separate. But it will be the credit the same. Don't forget to bring your laptop. The next class is very important to create the MySQL database.